Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to control JetHexa through Hiwonder AI app. Let's start with robot control. Firstly, we drag the button here to make JetHexa go forward, backward, left, and right under triple gate. Move up. These buttons are used to control JetHexa to turn. At the bottom of the interface, we can switch the gate to ripple gate. At the middle of the interface, we can adjust JetHexa's motion properties, including stride, speed, and step height. The center red button is for making JetHexa return back to the initial posture. You can raise and lower the body height, then check how JetHexa return back to the initial posture. Continue. Z buttons are used to control JetHexa to twist left and right. And to make JetHexa lean to the left and right, tap X buttons. To make it lean forward or backward, tap Y buttons. For the demonstration of other games, please check the next video.